Hello students, I am Dr. Parin Sheikh from LG Institutes of Applied Sciences. This is my second video lecture of inorganic polymers. In first video lecture, we have discussed about different classification of inorganic polymers and useful in everyday life. Now in this video lecture, we will discuss about boron containing inorganic polymers. So let's start the lecture. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the inorganic polymer, borazine, its preparation, properties and structure. In last video lecture, we have discussed the classification of inorganic polymers. Borazine is a special kind of In last video lecture, we have discussed the classification of inorganic polymers. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss one of the inorganic polymer, that is borazine. Preparation, properties and structure of borazine. Polymeric compounds of boron are borazine, substituted borazine and boron nitride. Borazine is a compound of special interest because its structure is similar to benzene. Now, what is borazine? Borazine is a polymeric compound of boron. Now, its preparation, properties and application we will discuss one by one. First, preparation. Borazine can be prepared by following different methods. First, that is diboron 6 is reacted with ammonia. It is also known as Stoke and Poland method. In 1921, Stoke and Poland had prepared borazine. In this method, diboron 6 is reacted with ammonia in 1:2 proportion. In first step, adduct is formed, which is decomposed on heating, which gives borazine. Product formed from this method is very less because along with borazine, polymeric byproduct is also obtained. Second method, that is BCl3, is heated with NH4Cl followed by reaction with lithium borohydride. When BCl3 is heated with NH4Cl in presence of chlorobenzene and catalysts such as Fe, nickel or cobalt at 140 degrees centigrade temperature gives boron trichloroborazine. This intermediate product, when reacted with lithium borohydride, it gives borazine through reduction in polyether. Here the following equation. Third preparation, in which lithium borohydride heated with NH4Cl. This is the equation. Now next, properties. Properties of borazine. First, physical properties, and second, that is chemical properties. Physical properties. Borazine is colorless volatile liquid. Its melting point -58 degrees centigrade. It converts into solid state and boiling point is 64.5 degrees centigrade. Borazine dissociates at 80 degrees centigrade and gives hydrogen, diboron and other volatile product at room temperature. Borazine is isoelectronic with benzene. Now chemical properties. Addition reaction, hydrolysis, pyrolysis, hydrogenation and preparation of adduct. We will discuss these chemical properties one by one. Addition reaction. In addition reaction, borazine gives addition reaction with 3 molecules of HCl or HBr at low temperature without catalyst. In this reaction, 3 molecules of HCl attach with 3 boron atoms of borazine. As a result, this hydrogen chloride derivatives is obtained. This reaction is not given by benzene. Second reaction, that is hydrolysis. Borazine hydrolyzed slowly with water and forms boric acid H3BO3, ammonia and water. Hydrolysis increases with increase in temperature. Borazine also reacts with 3 molecules of water under certain condition and through substitution forms boron trihydroxyborazine. This is known as partial hydrolysis. Third, that is pyrolysis. When borazine is polymerized at 340 degrees centigrade temperature, it gives B6N6H10 and B5N5H6. These products are equal to diphenyl and naphthalene. Next, that is preparation of adduct. Borazine forms adduct with methanol. This adduct on pyrolysis forms boron trimethoxyborazine and water molecule. Here OCH3 group attach with boron. Next, that is reaction with aniline. Reaction of borazine with aniline is strongly exothermic, which gives by aminoborine as a product. Now we will discuss the structure of borazine. Borazine is also known as inorganic benzene due to some physical and chemical similarities with the benzene. In case of borazine, different chemical reactions and X-ray diffraction studies which indicate that borazine is isoelectronic with benzene. Borazine should also has hexagonal structure as benzene. Benzene also has hexagonal structure. In borazine, boron and nitrogen atoms arrange alternatively. In case of benzene, 6 atoms are carbon, means the ring is made up of only carbon atom. In the structure of borazine, both the nitrogen and boron atoms are sp2 hybridized. As in case of benzene, all carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. In borazine, boron-nitrogen pi bond is dative bond which exists due to overlapping between p orbital of boron atom. Boron and nitrogen atoms have large electronegativity differences. So, pi electron cloud is partially delocalized in B3N3 ring, while in case of benzene, pi electrons are completely delocalized on each carbon atoms. Okay. Due to difference in electronegativity, the borazine also gives addition reaction. In benzene, carbon double bond carbon is non-polar, while in borazine, boron-nitrogen bond is polar. So, HCl can easily add it to the borazine ring. Okay. This is about the borazine. Okay. In next video lecture, we will discuss preparation, properties and application of silicons. Thank you.